Okay, oh my gosh. And since I did said na I need to this is my log, September 9, 2025, Tuesday. I had my so nung Monday, oh my gosh, I forgot to tell. Do I need to edit? Anyways, I'll just tell you here. I'm gonna say edit. Nung Monday na yun, di ba nga 8, and then it was the mark na our resident visa marked it 3 years na here. So that means I can apply for a loan na and like living cost and allowance. So I did that morning. That's why I got up really late. Because I was on call. I called Bea. She was studying sa Manukau. I called her and like asked her for help. And we talked for like a whole hour. Just asking her like, what should I do? What should I say here? Tapos I even, like while doing all that, dumating yung package ko. This is the package of my shoes. Yung dumating yung package ko for my shoes. Na I was so excited. I even said like, Bea, come on back with me. Before siyang, like, during that whole thing. Come back with me. So I was like, naramdaman ko na it's gonna be really big because the box was so big. And I'm like, bruh, so, hindi ko na-check yung, I think I did. No, I didn't check the size. I opened the package and then I opened the box. Bigla nakita ko, oh my gosh, super laki. And then chinek ko yung size and it said size 8 men's. And then size 9.5 for women's. I was like, Bea, oh my gosh. Tatawanan niya lang ako, ganun. Anyways, that happened on Monday. That's why I got up really late because I was fixing my study link. I was able to fill up all the forms and napasa ko rin na siya after I asked mom and dad to fill out the parents form. So I gave them that. And nasend ko yun on Monday. So anyways, while we were talking nga nung Monday na yun, I said, Bea, are you going to study tomorrow? Or like she asked me or something. I said because since I have an appointment for my dermatologist, I'll go straight study sa Manukau. She said na, oh, okay, study tayo together or something. Or like, ako nagsabi, I'm not sure, I don't remember. So we agreed na, okay, we'll study together. Tapos she messaged me na she said na Tita's gonna leave really early, like around 6. Sabi ko, I know, at first she said na, Ate Shane, what time ang appointment mo? Sabi ko, it's around 8. I mean, it's at 8. Sabi niya, okay, can I sabay? Kasi si Tita daw is leaving early. Like 6. Sabi ko, okay, I'll pick you up at 7:30. No, she said that, okay, 7:30, pick up mo ako. I go, okay. Edi, Tuesday. I got up on time. I mean, I woke up on time like 6:10. I was already awake. I was just on my phone, but I got up really late, like 6:40. Because I didn't realize na it's gonna take a long time from like what to go to Bea's house pa and then to go sa dermatologist ko. I thought it was gonna be only like what 10 minutes. And hindi ko na-calculate ang maayos yung travel time. So, hindi ako nakaalis ng super aga. So, nakaalis ako mga 7:20, 7:30 na something. And then, nung chinek ko na, di ba, I added yung stop sa bahay ni Bea. It's a 40-minute drive. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to be on my dermatologist appointment on time. So I texted Bea na, Bea, I'll just come back for you. Hindi ko, malilate ako sa appointment ko, ganan. So I went to my appointment. I did tell them what happened to my, like, allergy na, super nag-react siya. Sabi nila na, okay, ulitin na lang natin yung dose na binigay natin sa'yo last time. Ganun daw. So, yun na, after nun, I wanted to go for a walk pa. I was gonna ask Bea Pangalan if ever I was able to pick her up. Pero I couldn't, so hindi na ako nag-walk. After ko sa Derma, I just went straight up to pick her up. Tapos after nun, dumetro lang kami sa Westfield. Pagdating namin sa Westfield, sabi ko na, girl, sa loob ba yung, okay na ba yung Westfield yung ganong time? Ganitong time? Sabi ko ganun. Sabi niya, yeah. It was almost 9, I think, or like 9 na nun. Sabi niya, yeah, pero sinabi niya rin na nasa labas daw pala yung UA. So, I said, okay. So, tapos sinabi niya na, 4 hours max lang yung parking. We were looking for the 4 hours because yung una namin napunta is only 2 hours. So, we were looking for the 4-hour parking. And we were able to look for it sa harap ng Countdown. So, we had to walk all the way around. Tapos, yun. And then nakapag-park na kami ng around 9 something. Tapos nakapunta na kami. At first, she was saying na, oh, tara bumalik tayo nito, tara bumalik tayo nito. Sabi ko, girl, no, stop it. It should be a reward after. Or like, just not buy anything. At all. Sabi niya, oh, sure. So, nakapunta na kami sa may UAA. Nakahanap kami ng seat. Wala pang tao nun kasi sobrang aga nga. We started studying na ganan. Tapos biglang around, like after 2 hours, nag-ring yung fire alarm. So we had, like all of the students, like all of the people inside of the building has to come out. So we did, but it was kind of like sprinkling outside. Tapos me and Babe just decided to grab something sa Westfield na lang since we're already out anyways. Pero bro, I took my iPad with me. Which was weird. Like, well, not weird, but like, I took my iPad with me. But anyway, that's beside the point. So, bukas kami sa Westfield. Pumunta kami sa Japan Mart. Tapos, pumunta kami sa Japan Mart. Bumili siya ng drink. I couldn't buy anything because I didn't want, like, wala akong nagustuhan. I wanted something. I wanted fries. Pero sabi niya na, girl, wag na. So, thank you. So, hindi ako nakabili, hindi ako nakagastos. Dumag lang kami doon. Tapos biglang, on our, like, super lapit na namin sa door nung sa'yo, eh. Dapat minum natin yung car. I thought I didn't have the keys. But then, na-realize ko lang later na, I do have it sa jacket ko. But anyways, hindi namin na-move yung car. Bumalik kami nag-aral. And then around 12 or something. Niyaya ko na siyang kumain kasi nagugutom na talaga ako, hindi ka nag-breakfast. Pero sabi niya na, kumain kasi ko, pero sinabay niya pa rin ang kumain. We heated up yung food. Sa labas kami kumain kasi, like, kasi nandun kami nag-aaral sa may parang room talaga siya to just study. Bawa atang kumain or something. I don't know, hindi ko sure. Pero kumain kami dun sa may labas, sa may, as in yung parang, ano talaga siya, cafeteria or something. Pero walang mga natitinda, as in like, just a place to eat. Nandun kami, naglaro kami ng games while eating. I had sinigang and then yung natirang sisig. I gave her some of the sisig. Yung sinigang puro buto lang, so I couldn't give her anything. Wala namang laman-laman. I did have my mixed grain rice. Tapos she have her tocino with like steamed chicken, I think. Hindi ko sure. She did give me the tocino, pero buti hindi ko pa nakakain. Na-realize niya na, Ate Shane, nasa ilalim yung manok. Sabi niya na-touch. Sabi ko, okay lang yan. Ganun. Sabi ko, pero kinuha niya yung other half na as in super nakaligit sa manok. So, sabi ko, okay. Sabihin na ako ng konti pa. Yeah, anyways, sabihin ko siya ng sisig. Tapos, kumain na kami for like 30 minutes. Tapos, bumalik kami tag-aral. Tapos, around 1, we had to move yung car. Kasi nga 4 hours na nun. 4 hours na nun. 4 hours na. So, kailangan bumalik. Nilipat namin yung car. Nilipat na namin siya dun sa may malapit. Sa may, Miro. Sa may sinihan na namin siya may move yung car. Tapos, bumalik na kami sa study. Tapos, around 2, I said na I have to go. Because I need to return yung shoes. She stayed there kasi sabi niya kailangan niya talaga tapusin yun. I needed to go to Sylvia Park, so I did. Around 2, I left. Wala masyadong car. So I was like, oh, slay. As in, ang pangat ng suot. Well, ang pangat ko that day. Wala akong makeup or kahit ano whatsoever. I had to go to Sylvia Park sa Culture Kings. Lahat ng staff, lalaki. Like, bro, I hated it so much. Pero I had no choice. I already have yung, the shoe box in me. Like, I have it on me. Like, I was holding it. Tapos, nahiyan ako. Like, wala na akong choice na dito. Nag-drive na ako all the way here. Sayang naman. So, pinilit ko na pumunta ako sa may Culture Kings. Pinilapitan ko na yung sa may counter doon. Sabi ko na, kailangan ko itong return kasi they delivered me the wrong size. Ganun. So, sabi nila na bawal silang replace. Or like, if they do, they did ask me for my size. I said I needed size 8 or 7 women's of this same shoe. They said they didn't have any, but they did give me a different color of the same shoe on like size 8 or 7. I did try it on. I didn't like it at first, okay? And nung like pumipili na ako dun sa may wall, wala masyadong tao sa Culture Kings. Tapos puro lalaki yung staff. When I was like looking of what I wanted dun sa may wall, I wanted to ask them to like, oh, can you check this for me if you have the size of like, ganun. Pero bro, yung walang tao, walang staff, puro lalaki. So yung isang staff ating nandun sa may counter, I don't know anong ginagawa niya. Yung isang staff, biglang nakita niya akong palapit, pero biglang hinila niya yung ladder. And then I couldn't just, like habulin siya na like as in like make eye contact kami. And then umalis na lang ako without buying or doing anything doon. I just went straight home kasi natakot din ako ng mga stuck sa traffic. So, yun, umuwi lang ako. Was I able to go for a walk? I don't think so. I don't remember. Anyways, that what happened on Tuesday. Yeah.